Top 5 super vitamins to heal your kidneys. Well, there are several causes by which your kidneys get damaged. They may be poor lifestyle, habits, eating junk and processed foods, consuming excessive alcohol, high blood pressure, diabetes, and even stress. But do you know certain vitamins could help your kidneys to function better and improve kidney health to a great extent? Kidney disease is a serious problem that has affected millions of people worldwide. But due to lack of awareness of kidney-friendly diets and supplements, people lose control over their kidney disease and their condition becomes worse. In today's video, I will tell you 5 super vitamins that will better cope with your kidney disease and significantly improve kidney functions. So let's begin. Hello and a very warm good morning to all of you. I am Dr. Amisha. I cordially welcome you to the Bharat Homeopathy YouTube channel, where you can explore so much information on health, diet, exercise, and disease treatment with natural and holistic medicine. If you or your loved ones have some sort of kidney disease, then you must watch this video without skipping a single second. The first vitamin that is must for your kidneys is vitamin B6 or pyridoxine. This vitamin may help reduce the risk of formation of kidney stones by breaking down the oxalate in the body. It is a major reason for the formation of calcium oxalate stones in the kidneys. Vitamin B6 also prevents and treats anemia by aiding hemoglobin production. You can include vitamin B6 rich foods in your diet like soybean, wheat germ, oats, bananas, and some fortified breakfast cereals. The next vitamin also comes from the group of B vitamins, which is vitamin B9 or folate. This vitamin helps your body to make healthy red blood cells. If you are low in this particular vitamin, your body will produce abnormally shaped red blood cells, leading to megaloblastic anemia. Well, folate may also help reduce phosphorus levels in people with kidney disease. Excess phosphorus may cause further damage to your injured kidneys. It may cause kidney stones to form and other kidney problems, as phosphorus may help more calcium to deposit in your kidneys. To prevent all these problems, you should take folate-rich foods. You can include broccoli, Brussels sprouts, leafy green veggies such as cabbage, kale, spring greens, peas, and breakfast cereals fortified with folic acid. Now, let us move on to the third essential vitamin for your kidneys. It is vitamin B12 or methylcobalamin. It helps produce healthy red blood cells, which can be seen reduced in people with kidney disease. Vitamin B12 also helps maintain and repair nerves, which can be damaged in kidney disease. It also helps regulate phosphorus in your body. The next benefit of this vitamin is that it helps reduce homocysteine levels, which can raise the risk of heart and kidney disease. Now, I tell you how you can maintain vitamin B12 in your body naturally. You can take low-fat milk, egg whites, vitamin B12 fortified food items. The next is your sunshine vitamin, vitamin D. It helps regulate phosphorus and calcium levels in your body. When your kidneys are not functioning properly, they might not activate vitamin D into its active form, leading to bone disorder and weak immunity. Some studies also show that maintaining an adequate level of vitamin D can slow down the progression of chronic kidney disease. You can daily sit under the sun for 20 minutes to naturally maintain your optimal level of vitamin D, or you can take supplements after consulting with your healthcare provider. Well, the last is your vitamin E, which is a powerful antioxidant that helps protect kidney cells from oxidative stress caused by free radicals. This is very important for people with diabetes, as high blood sugar can cause major oxidative stress and damage the kidney over time. This condition is referred to as diabetic nephropathy. To maintain an adequate level of vitamin E in your body, you can consume almonds, sunflower seeds, hazelnuts, peanuts, wheat germ oil, kiwi fruits, avocados, strawberries, red capsicum, and kale. But make sure that you should consume all these foods in moderation. I have shared the top 5 vitamins that you should include in your diet for better kidney health. But all these are vitamins that support kidney health. But if you want to take control over your kidney disease, then you should consider a treatment that treats your disease naturally and holistically. Yes, I'm talking about homeopathy that is safe, effective, and brings improvement in the condition in the shortest time. Unlike modern medicine, which causes severe side effects, homeopathy is light on your system and treats the disease from its root without causing any side effects. We at Bharat Homeopathy hold a track record of treating thousands of kidney patients worldwide with our experienced team of doctors. Your kidney treatment is just a call away. Give us a call and talk to us to get a timely and side effect free homeopathic treatment today. If you found my video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to the Bharat Homeopathy YouTube channel for more health related videos. Thank you so much. Stay healthy, stay happy.